I'm Wanjohn, and with me here is...
I'm Turbo.
On today's episode, we have three sections. We're going to be talking about child lock. We're going to be giving you some road safety tips, and we have a very, very interesting game. Watch out. Turbo, what do you have to say about the child lock of the car?
Well, the child lock is one particular small button they put at the rear doors of your car. And what it does is that once you activate the child lock, any child you have at the back of your car which tries to open the door will not open from inside. Which implies that any baby, any young child you put at the back that can be playful, that want to jump around, want to try what you have tried before by opening that door, the door will not be opened, keeping that child safe and you too very comfortable. So it makes everybody feel at ease.
Actually, most people don't know that this function exists in cars. It is located at the rear doors. It is just at the tip. Now, you can control your lock system with the central lock. But as a child, as ignorant as they are, they want to play with everything. So they can easily unlock it and open the door. But once you activate that child lock, once you know you are carrying a baby 7 years and below inside your car, just activate the child lock. It makes it difficult. In fact, they will not be able to open that door in motion or without your permission. So after now, we'll go on the break and we'll be back shortly. Thank you.
So welcome back to the garage, and I believe you must have gotten something from what we did initially, and right now we're going to the road safety tip. So Wanjohn, what do you have for us for this week on road safety tips?
Road safety tip, I want to talk about the headrests of the car seats. Actually, you have the passenger seat and you have the seat of the driver and you have the passenger seat. There is this headrest on the two. Now, most people don't know what that headrest is used for. It is detachable and it has a function.
Is it not just for resting your head?
No. Why they don't like they just carry me from one place. Actually, the headrest, it's a headrest. Yes, you can rest your head. You head. But its main function is when you are in danger and all glasses are wind up and you need an escape route, detach the headrest and use it to break any glass, be it the windscreen or the side window. It will give you access to go out of the car. For example, there are some cars that when they hit anything or when they encounter any accident, the whole system of the car locks up, and you will want to escape. But the old glasses are wind up, you can't control anything. That is what the headrest is. Just detach it, remove it. It is always removable. All headrests of cars are removable. So once you detach it, hit it hard at any glass, be it the windscreen or the rear windscreen or the side glasses, and you escape. Do you have any road safety tip for us today?
Yeah. Talking from where you stopped, I think road safety tip is something that keeps us safe.
Yeah.
Now, right now, when we think about there's something people don't understand about the hazard lights.
Okay.
Now, many people see the pointers. You want to go right, you point to the right. You want to go left, you point to the left. Yeah. But then the hazard light, maybe you get to a crossroad. People just put on the hazard light because they're going straight. That is not what it is meant for. The hazard light, from the word hazard, it means that, okay, you are having an issue, you have an hazard, maybe the car is not doing fine, maybe you have an emergency, maybe you are carrying a pregnant woman who is in labor, you are carrying something really serious, you put on your hazard light and you move as fast as you can. And if the car is bad and it can't move so fast, who will see you and give you space? So your hazard light is a safety
or you want to park all of a sudden.
Maybe your car even got broken down, exactly, and you need to park by the roadside.
It's just a warning sign.
Then you put it on, so everybody that comes around knows that, okay, something is not absolutely right here, and that is what that is.
In fact, let me buttress your point. There are some places that you can't just park by the road without putting on that hazard light.
Yeah,
if you
absolutely.
park by the road and you don't put that hazard light on, it is an offense.
Yeah.
So always make use of your hazard light. We'll see you. We'll be back shortly.
Thank you.
Hi viewers, welcome back. So on this our last section, we have an interesting game like I promised you earlier. It's called Tongue Twister. I'm going to be picking, I have some cards here with me.
Like tongue twisters.
Yes. No need to shuffle because I don't say this guy, he knows I'm here. So
We'll see what he'll do too.
I'll just pick like, I'll pick one, I'll show you guys. Then but he will read it out, then he has to twist his tongue, but he has to pronounce it. Like, how many times should I give you?
We'll see. I'll give you 5. We'll see if your tongue will get twisted or not.
Oh,
so let's do 3 times actually.
3 times, okay. Alright. So, this. Have it.
Says Maybach may be back in May.
Alright.
So I'll go 3 times. Maybach may be back in May. Maybach may be back in May. Maybach may be back in May. And I'm good.
The guy too slow. Don't be so high.
It wasn't slow. It was not slow. It wasn't slow. It's not slow. Maybach may be back in May. Maybach may be back in May. Maybach may be back in May. Maybach may be back. Oh, I did 3 times, and I was going the 4th time. All right, let's give it to you. Okay, okay. Let's pick one for you. I'll not even look at it. I'll just pick one. Anyone that comes up is for you. Okay, okay. I love this. Tata tilts towards trucks. I love that. 3 times. Let's see how you fare about that.
Tata tilts towards truck. 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 Tata tilts towards truck.
That's not easy.
Oh, fire.
Well, that was fun. It was good. It was
Alright,
nice having that.
alright, bro.
So thank you very much.
Yeah.
We hope you really enjoyed what we had for you today, and see you next time. Be safe.
Stay good.